Hey, what's up, Kodi fans? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best Kodi Addons 2025 for movies, you've come to the right place. Today I'm sharing the top Kodi Addons that will let you stream the latest movies in HD and 4K without buffering, so stick around and let's dive in. Kodi has been a game changer for streaming movies, but not all add-ons work great. That's why I've tested and handpicked the best Kodi add-ons for movies in 2025, so you don't waste time with broken links. The Crew Best All-in-One add-on offers movies, TV shows, live sports, and IPTV. Reliable, fast, and constantly updated. Seren Premium Real to Breed add-on works with Real to Breed for high-quality streaming. Smooth playback, no buffering. Umbrella fast and smooth streaming. Large collection of movies and TV shows. User-friendly interface, HD and 4K support. Elementum torrent-based add-on. Streams content directly from torrents, HD and 4K content with fast speeds. Asgard Massive Content Library offers movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, and more. One of the most complete add-ons available. Want to install these add-ons? No worries, here's a quick guide. Open Kodi, go to Settings, File Manager, Add Source. Enter the add-on repository URL. Install the repository and add-on. Open and start streaming. And that's it. These are the best Kodi add-ons for movies in 2025. Perfect for HD and 4K streaming. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more updates on the best Kodi add-ons. Also, drop a comment below on your favorite add-on. See you in the next one. Subscribe and stay updated.